Hi everyone, ahan bamaktada experience member GKGS Manipuri English ki series to welcome to today. Nasisu GKGS Manipuri experience ngi damak yamni interesting oiragduba adumba topic amada video ama pudun luxury. Hi ba topic adu adverb. Adverb ki akhoi ngasi ki classes da maru oiba rules sing amasung rules gi matung ina akhoi exercise MCQ format so idan nai jarakani aduga loshillak pada so yamna maru oiba akhoi exam da ga yamna toina hanganba rules amani da rules amani su yauri aduna ngasigi video si yamni interesting oigani hena thamjage aduga ngasigi video si SSC gi upcoming exams like CJL, SSL, CPO, GD, MTS banking gi exams and atopa defense gi exams like CDS, CAPF ko the army gi Agniveer, CISF, railways ki RRB, NTPC sumbe exams sing sida dum important oiragduba aduba topic amani aduna ngasigi exam si yamna interesting so oigani aduga maru so oigani hena thamjage masi harakana ngasigi dum class hojalasi adverb ni na khoi myam soidana basic su sanga mo ni ado basic ki hapet chora ko point amani ningsing mina khasi adverb haibse karino hana haiba matamda adverb haibse khoi wahai amni karamba wahai akhoi verb natraga adjective amabo modify toribo wahai dubu akhoi adverb koiba modify to bahar kanda ahen meaning hapchen bhai tare ahen meaning hapchen ba natraga wahai dubu describe to verb natraga adjective to describe to dubu akhoi na kai kawi adverb koiba data a word that modifies a verb or an adjective dubu akhoi adverb kawi aduga haiba wahai sina masigi wahai sina atopa adverb amaso amu modify to ba yaiba or an adverb ko another adverb fighter or another adverb sigi point sing understand tawre hana lawjarage ko du tarde adverbs makhal yamna laikhre am akhodo du commonly akhoina sinaba makhal khara akhoina namina si adverb of manner haiba mane daide adverb of time haiba mane adverb of place haiba mane adverb of frequency and degree masigi adverb se akhoi commonly sinaba dum adverb ni aduna khangdaba sungya magya ta hai tare ko adverb ki basic ha ga de sigumba yamni chamchamba khara sini adom yamna su hena khangam bagani ko the yenga se adverb of manner haibsina karino manner haibsina akhoi da karino karamai to bono how utpadu buni akhoi adverb of manner se like ma kyam phajai natra ma kyam yang ni seli yang na seli quickly ko fastly kind haiba quickly that is gently that is angrily kai say adverb of manner again adverb of time hai ta di sidi irodum khanga mani matam ta ko when ta ko sibo ko ni adverb of time ha khangai aduna like yesterday tomorrow ko yesterday tomorrow now later kind have say adverb of time ni aduga adverb of place takpa hargana adverb of place ta hai targati akhoi where ko mafam takpa dubo ko adverb of place ha khangna ni adu karino have matamda like outside inside here dear ganda over here above kind have say akhoi adverb of place ke example ni aduga adverb of frequency la ne adverb of frequency ha targati kyam sang takpa to kyam toina kind takpa to how often takpa do bo ko adverb of frequency kawi common example jeng na si ko never gumba adai sometimes gumba adai always gumba sa ko adverb of frequency the synchrony aduga degree adverb of degree takpuna ko sang ama kayam muk sang takpa ko to what extent hai tar sang ama takpa dum adverb tu na ko na adverb of degree ko like completely love kind ko completely or almost or very ka say adverb of frequency ki example sign to na akhoi adverb kari no khangmin re ma ki types kara akhoi dum oru oiba types kara su khangmin re aduna sidagi hena so ai mayam sing understand taramagani hena khangani hena thajai aduna adverb habise akoi word hamni kramba word verb monetary adjective modify so bhai tade meaning hena ahenba meaning ma hapchen bo or describe to bu wo khone ge goi modify so bo koi smain to dana sum basibu adverb ha khangnai aduga haibo words na another atopa adverb mo so modify to bu ya hena akoi hai ri ko sine adverb haibo duna with this rule yeng ho si rule number 1 da akoi rule number 1 da akoi yeng minar si rule number 1 na kari hai bano hai budune akoi na khangna duse rule number 1 da adverb of quantity se sinai kam kan sinai kadai wai jaga da sina bano hai matam da makhoi na modify to riba natraga qualify to riba adverb of quantity irasiko adverb of quantity adverb of quantity are used after the words that they are modifying or qualifying makoina describe to riban habadi makoina modify to riban natraga makoina qualify to riba wahai dugi matungda words tugi matungda adverb of quantity se sijinaye and habane after se am nising bi gadon ko do tari kamaina sijina no adverb of quantity se kamaina sijina no hadu yang minar se she ate a lot quite of chicken at the party enjoying every bite no error do tari koina khang hida a lot habase adverb of quantity ne adverb for quantity ne yare ko adu ta de si quite ha si bune ko na quite ha se ko ani gak thing nei like q u i t e ha bang ga q u i e t ha bang q u i e t de tumina leba silent or budu bune ka aduga sigi quite na ko gi degree im ta ko mai te lon da ga ha ta ri yam phajana ka na ha budu ni ko degree im ta ko adumba wahai amane ba ko degree ma ta ko wahi chang ta ko wahi mane duna mahang na mayam ma chicken mayam ma sai hena hai duni ba ko duna sida akoi a lot e babu quantity sin qualify to shi kaino quite chi buni aduna maram ora kanda e babu quantity sin matung la kani aduna she ate quite a lot and high gani quite a lot and high gani aduna irrelevant maybe area sa kadai dano option number a is the correct option ko a gi area sida irrelevant. So with this question number 1, I understand our and logger. Question number 2, don't get she ate many two chocolates and fell sick. Mang chocolates may say do nai. Sarah matung nai. Ko la liberia say option number A, she ate. Option number B, many two chocolates, and option number C and man fell sick, and option number D, karim to land the no error and hide. A coin a kang adom sentence pab the art to kang ko two ko two have se qualified to one is many sin aduna two no mamang lakani many se adverb for quantity ni aduna matung lakani buka aduna marmarakan see at too many and high gani too many chocolates and high gani aduna marmarakan lalam bi ya se kada aduna option number B dani that is many two high ben mohuta koina kari high gani too many and high gani. I'm sure you understand the okay with this next rule the rule number 2 the koying minar se rule number 2 the rule number 2 koi adverbs like scarcely the idea koi hardly I'm sure you can hardly the idea often the idea rarely the idea always ka haiba adverb sing se kamaina sin ai kam mong sin abage na haiba matam da akoi be form of the verb ki matung da aduga main form of the verb ki mamang da sin agani are used kamaina hani are used after be form of the verb be form of the verb after ni komam be form of the verb ki after the and before the main verb to gi mamang da sin agani tadi aku yengasi kamain tau bano habito ko be form of the verb five tadi kari bano habito be form of the verb me amna kang ngani be form of the verb five tadi is am are was were was is am are was were jadi being been kata udah ko is am are was were being been se being been si sing se be form of the verb ni ko makoi se helping verb ki shar oman hai tar ko helping verb ni hai tar aduna akoi sumba wahi scarcely, hardly, often, rarely, always have sumba seldom kind have sumba adverb thing ta de mokoi be form of gi verb ki matung da sina kani aduga main verb ki mamang da sina kani haibadi be form of the verbs like be form of verb plus sumba wahi like scarcely, rarely, daidi often extra sumba singi matung da adum akoi main verb lakani na haibani da ka main verb lakani na haibani. So with this akoi exercise yang kan khangmina ni ko mo yang asi tu tadi question number 3 da Ram always is running late for meetings causing frustration among his friends and I aduna akoi is se ke da be form of the verb ni aduga running sina main verb ni aduga sisina be form of the verb ni ka aduna maram orakanda sigi always akoi no dikai kre ka always se ke da be form of the verb ki matung da lakani aduga main verb ki matung da lakani aduna maram orakanda is always akoi na hai this is always running late and high or high ni ka aduna error lermi jaga se option number 1 a gi area se da error lerm. So, to understand the question number 4, he goes rarely to the parties because he prefers spending his weekends outdoors. No error. Ka. Kona du tadi error area se kata dano mo yung minarse. Akoy da main verb lare he goes main verb sida akoy be form of the verb yaudare akoy ngasai kai hai be form of the verb plus and verb ki matung da in haibne be form of the verb sigi matung da duga main verb ki mamang da hin haibne adui ta ga be form of the verb yaudar ni si uran adu bu ke tawa ngasai gi rarely seldom always ka main verb ki mamang da thambam thoktra adui ta de sigi rarely haiba se akoy sigi main verb sigi mamang da thambam tho eba aduna why he rarely goes and hypom to ever. Error say option number 1 a area say error. So I hope question number 4 is understand or with this next rule the rule number 3 the young miners rule number 3 the Karino the berry haibonga adverb berry haibonga to a two hibasing the thing two hibas berry have seen a curry the sinagadum two hives in a curry the sinagadum kamina kamon sinagadum sinakon yang to berry sinakon curry sang do high degree matapumatam ishima yam fazaye can have the very beautiful to a high degree matapumatam the masisinaganib ka aduga sigi of two hibesina akoina darkar layer dudagi hen akoina palm dudagi akoina darkar layer sang dudagi hen hele and higher ko matam da sina kani aduna two is negative meaning am su chen mane ko aduna si more than enough hibesida akoi sina kani sina bi tagdi yang minerse akoi exercise yang minerse questions ka yang minerse to tari dom understand or ni rule number 3 se yang say the coffee at the new cafe was too delicious and we enjoy every bite no error kadai wai jaga dun error lai se to tari akoi hida khang delicious yamna hawe na akoi yamna akoi degree im tak tu to to a high degree the yamna hawe habi sang du utu na tro yamna hawe haibagi sang do ne hida utu se to a high degree mo utu ne do ta de high degree mo utu matam da si meaning si negative meaning chelan ki ba ya ro ba tu sin na ro ba aduna akoina kai sin ne si mo ta very sin ne very sin kai ta e yamna hawe have do ta ne ba tu sin kai ta no do ta ga de tu si de akoina darkar le du da gi hele more than enough chang ba hen do kre do tu sin ta ka do na aduna tu se matang gi da sin na ro the irregular music option number 3 sigi area is the irregular money With this, question number 6 tamo yengminarsi. The coffee was very hot to drink immediately. Coffee do yamna sai aduna khudakta thakpa yaroye haibagi art duni kon leise. Coffee do yamna sai and haibadi karigino sigi hot or si karino hot obisi yamna sabdo hindore ko hindora puni number moyo kanda akhone darkar leriba sangdu dagi hindora puni number moyo kanda khudakta thakpa ngamdabne ba dutade the utusha ko more than enough to na tro ko ni da utusha dutade si utto bunina akhoge do sigi very sinagadro sinaro very si da sinaro kayena sinani to when sinani aduna irala me jaga se kadai dana option number D, that is very hot to have second very sigi mahutta kariyena singine too hot to when laktin natro too hot to drink immediately in hydrogen. So with this question number 6 is understand our and logzaraga duna next rule damu yang minarsi koi next rule da rule number 4 ko rule number ahum tawkre rule ahum tawminakre rule number 4 da koi rule mari su da yang minarsi kari hari have matamda koi much to haiba maga much to haiba nga duga koi too much haiba nga thengna kani natra too much haiba nga si kari no have matam degree in tai ne ba koi yam yame henmalle have degree in tai ne ba adubu much to say is followed by mark the adjective no follow torokani adjective no follow torokani sigi point in sing biga do ka adu too much sina kari no follow torokado ba noun no follow torokani followed by noun ka noun no follow torokani sigi point sing ena khanjara ge du ta de rules chu khangabani na hojek akoi exercise torsi question number 7 the performance was too much long making it difficult to stay focused performance to yamna sangmandana too much hojek ki thengna gre ko long ko ai adun maram kan the focus to bangam dre na hai error le bi jaga se option number A option mari pi re ko and in the young minority to ta gre ko na hojek hai gre too much ki matung da D akoi kai do ba noun amana follow torokani na hai aduga akoi much to gi matung dana kari follow torokadum adjective amana follow torokadum na hai ko but here long se kari gi mong no thabak to isa performance to yamna kedo hai no yamna sange na hai na to performance to yamna sange na hai ni ida adu ta de mahang no thabak to isa kari gi mong da thabak to no na hai mi kam adjective mong da ne thabak to isa adjective ti kari no adjective have to mam so ningsing oni adjective have di a word that describes a noun du bo khoi ni ko adjective ko buna tra duna performance to yamna sange na haise kari no akhoi gi sigi performance noun ni subject ni aduga long se na kai do ba akhoi keno se performance describe to ina duna sida thabuk to ise adjective ki mong dane long se na thabuk to ise duna too much ki matung dani noun follow to ka do ne aduga much chu gi matung dani adjective follow to ka do ne aduna hida sin too much sin na la le khoi na kari hin sin na ni much too hoina sin na ni aduna error le me jaga se kada dana sigi option number D is the correct option akoi too much hai roi much too long haina hai gani much too long haina hai gani so question number 7 is understand to haina logger ke question number 8 tamu yeng minersi Ajay added much to sugar to the tea making it overly sweet Ajay na ke do haina Ajay na sadu da sadu da sini mayam thaksin bana maram oira kanda sado hen thumalle na hai na tra duta de khoi error le bise sugar to the tea ki jaga asidara or no error and option number C the making it overly sweet and option number D the Ajay added much to na hai but sugar se hida kai do no Ajay na hapile sugar se kai no sugar se khoi kai do ba the mai mathak to ise kari gi mong na mathak to ise noun gi mong da ne noun ne sugar is noun here aduna hida khoi mastu gi matung da di adjective la kadum ne adjective la kadum ne adjective la kadum ne but here kai no noun la ta di mastu sina roi kari sina ni too much and higher ani too much ka aduna error me se option number D is the correct option akhoi Ajay added much to hain hai roi too much and high gani too much sugar and harakani so question number 8 you understand our and log again next rule noun rule dong in see next rule number 5 the Rule number 5 to yengminarse je akhoi before haiba amaga ago haiba adverb ani khak thengna gani ka before adverb of time ngak dani babani ma ka duita ga before haibsina kama kari ta kono before haisina akhoi a point of time ta kone a point of time ta ko habdi specific oiba matam ama particular oiba matam ama ta ko du bo koina du matam da koina before sina kani ba ka specific oiba time ta ko matam da duga ago sina ko period of time ta ko matam da sina kani habdi duration ta ko matam da period of time duration ama ta ko matam da ko sina kani duita di yeng ase example khara hierarchy ko akhoi ago ge example hana hierarchy he moved to the city he moved to the city 3 years ago and hierarchy 3 years ago si ago si da correctly si nei kamaina masigi 3 years si da 3 years mamang si da na haibu se city du sa kre se akhoi period ama ta ina tro matam ko duration ama ta ine duration ama sigi 3 years in time adui ta ga akhoi ni sidagi khangi sigi matang sida akhoi ago si na gani but hidang yeng minar se example ama she finished her work before dinner haina harage dinner gi mamang da haina dinner gi mamang da mak ki thabak to losile dinner gi mamang da na hire ko matam sida masigi before sina kari ta akhoi na hida longing is specific oiba matam da natro specific time da natro hida uning is structure dungai mamang da dinner gi mamang da mahang thabak to losile na habje da here akhoi samai na hai ta de say finish her work ago dinner hai ta art thoi bo thok tre duna sumai to gane specific time haiba matam da akhoi before sina gane I rule number 5 understood our in loser again. Understand our in loser again with this exercise in the minority. Ras completed his degree 2 years before. Ras na mahaki degree se sahi anigi before mamang the completed oi krena hai losin krena hai either le Ras completed careers there are no error or option number C his degree and option number D the 2 years before ko ida koi na kai tai no 2 years ina akoi hida duration ama ne bu uning ise ko period ama uning mane period of time ama ne bu akoi na hida uning ise period of time ut ke hai ta gadi kari no akoi na before gi mohta kai na mo chila kani ba before sina roi kai na mo chila kani ago na mo chila kani ba 2 years ago hai na har kani do no irole me bisa ka se kada do no option number D 2 years before have mohta akoi na 2 years ago hai na har kani I understand our logic again. Question number 10 the meeting will start 10 minutes ago noon and high. The meeting do koi noon gi 10 minutes mamang da soi dana pangthokani and high ko aduna option mari pi re ko koi ma'am so option choose to biro noon 12 o'clock na tra 12 o'clock ki mamang gi 10 minutes specific time mo li na tra specific time mo to tam da koi kari sina gani hana high gra koi before sina gani na high gra ko before sin agani hana hai gra aduna maram or kan hida ago nun hai bis hai roi rina hai gini khoi before nun nine hai gani before nun nine hai gani ma'am I understand to ran log again next rule da muk nei ngami nar se do tar gade yam fazaba rule am lak to ra khoi adverbs of frequency ka adverbs of frequency rule number 6 or ngani ka rule number 6 adverbs of frequency like kari na adverbs of frequency hai ta de koi ever can have ever usually that is sometimes rarely never can have never generally can have etc sumba sing adverbs of frequency yun sina ta de akhoi usually mo khoi se verbs ki mawang da verbs ki mamang da tham gani ba place before verb ko hariba sentence to the if hariba sentence to the akhoi auxiliary verb so auxiliary verb ko auxiliary verb so yorma ba aduga main verb so yorma ba main verb so yorum ta gadi auxiliary verb haibda ma'am helping verb to bani ko helping verb su adaidi akoi main verb su hariba sentence da akoi yaura mena khalase ko yaura mena khalase adui tagadi akoi gi hariba adverbs of frequency se sigi ani sigi auxiliary verb ki matungda aduga main verb ki mamangda thamakani auxiliary verb ki matungda amasung main verb ki adverbs of frequency ka main verb ki mamangda thamakani do tadi ma'am I understand tawrin lawjara gi rule number 6 se ka rule number 6 se point sing jun note tokshin biro notebook am da ka aduga exercising manner se Joy finishes usually his homework before dinner adana either la ibe jaga se Joy finishes usually hidra or option number B his homework and option number C before dinner and option number D no error am to laite and hai ka but akoi de yang manner se usually je akoi na khang kre that is marks adverb of frequency ne ka adverb of frequency ne and hida finishes se kari gi mathong to isa main verb ki mathong ne to isa adui ta de khoi na kai hujik hai kra auxiliary verb plus akoi adverbs of frequency la matung da main verb la kani but hida auxiliary verb yaw ta de yaw de adui ta so akoi adverb kano sing che adui ta de adverbs of frequency sing che akoi ke doba verb ki mamang da thamena haibna tro verb ki mamang da usually place to bani na haibna tro hai ko adui ta de makoi usually se sigi mamang ki la pham thoibo khamani ko aduna sida akoi lalam use option number A Joy finishes usually have muhutta khona kari hena harani Joy usually finishes lana harakani so I hope understand tawren lawjara ko understand tawren lawjara question number 12 tong ying minarsi he never had encountered such a challenging situation before hena hai ko koi head che kaino hida helping verb ni aduga encounter sina karino main verb ne helping verb ko de auxiliary verb ni aduga na main verb ni aduga never sina kaino adverb of frequency ne adu tari sigi neighbor se sigi marak sida thambam thoktra to eko adana error leibe jaga se ka dai dana option number D he never had encounter habi mohta khoina karina harakani he had never encountered hana harakani sai rule dugi matung ina main verb fida laire aduga adverbs of frequency da laire aduga idana akhoi helping verb that is auxiliary verb laire sigi sequence ma'am nexting birani ka do tari next ta yeng si next rule mu yeng minar si rule number 7 da khoi yeng si rule number 7 da adverbs of definite frequency ka adverbs ta so khoi adverbs of definite frequency like akhoi twice thrice kind of the twice thrice 5 times kind of akhoi haibda ko adverbs of definite frequency je makhoi je kadai de usually placed over place makhoi twice thrice haibda akhoi kai na adverbs of definite frequency in ta de place at the end of the sentence ka sentence ki aroi bada thamme makhoi se Now, so understand or nika. Dito the exercise yung nurse exercise to dong kang nika. Mia had attempted to solve twice the difficult questions. Mia na attempted to way kay dong na bugda mata difficult question do solve tong na ba kaya anira twice na hay ka. Dito di ako hida kang option number A. Mia had attempted la libis kasi quiz daga. Option number B to solve. Option number C twice the difficult questions and option number D no error mata like ten hari. So masidagi akoina khangi twice kaino adverbs of definite frequency ne adu tadi makoi se kai usually we place it at the end of the sentence and hai ko adon hida sentence ke roi da thama order ne thama kane adon hida khoi ke hare option number C hida error le rambani twice se kada samna the difficult question twice and hara kane thama kane twice and hara kane ka adon Mia had attempted to solve the difficult question twice and harakan twice se koi last of the sentence thamakani hidu thammol. So with this question number 13 understand tawren lawjage question number 14 nati question next rule damu yeng minarsi next rule da akoi adverb ani khak rule number kya rule number 8 oidoram ni ka rule number 8 rule number 8 to yeng minar se khoi adverb ani ka fairly haibonga rather haibonga khoi soidan thena kani fairly haiba mane rather haiba adverb yam maru oiba adverb ni ka makhoi se adum kamaina sinabano haibduni akhoi makhoi se kariga sinai haiba matam fairly is used with pleasant adjective habdi positive meaning sen by adjective singa sinai adjectives like fairly example line have the fairly good kind fairly good rather good guy have the yam really hani ka and fairly wise guy jindana fairly wise ka and that rather is na ko ga use with unpleasant adjectives ka like example on have the rather difficult kind difficult kind so my thought on a so I hope rule number 8 so I concept so present grab the and loser again fairly amasung rather gi concept so with this exercise the weather was rather pleasant today with a cool breeze and mild temperature yam su sa da bi nusikai ing basitana ko rather the yam pleasant way na hayang asidi ko do tarding asigi the pleasant have se ke it is a pleasant adjective natra pleasant adjectives ki mawong da man ma thau toy se ko adu ta ga de hida rather se khoi kai hai kra rules to gi matung ina rather gi muhta kai sina ne sina roi fairly sina ani ko rather sina roi fairly sina kan adu error le mi jaga se kadai da no khoi that is option number a was rather having mota was khoi kai hai na kani fairly na kani I hope see questions you understand the question number 15 down in university. The exam was fairly difficult but I managed to finish it on time and high so exam do fairly difficult but I matam chana losin bading when high the difficult is the unpleasant adjective ne so with this akoina maram kan rules gi matung ina fairly sinaroi kai sinani rather sinarani aduna lala me area se the exam was option number A the option number B the managed to finish it on time option number C fairly difficult but I option number C area se lala mani fairly difficult but having hota koi kai na haigani rather difficult hain harakani I hope question number 15 you understand our end logger with this next rule yam no rule some la am akhoi like negative rule number 9 da rule number 9 da akhoi like negative wahi shen by adjective like negative adverb sai tare negative ki artha shen ba adverb sing like akhoi kamaina never nothing seldom nowhere rarely neither etc so but negative ki wahi chen ba akoi adverb sing se negative ki artha chen ba ha gadani adverb sing se kedoba negative meaning words ngatani madum maram oira kanda makoi atopa negative wahi sing ga sinaroi ba ko aduna maram oira kanda sentence to the two negative words should be avoided koina khanga do negative word hatai sinaroi two negative words should be avoided haibadi karino haiba matamda sugumba negative ki artha senba adverb sing like nothing never seldom nowhere rarely neither never barely hardly ko hardly so hapchilake yam toina sinaba ko barely sumba se khoi thengna taragadi sida atopa negative wahai sinaroi aduna sentence da negative wahai ani yaw taragadi dumba negative wahai do avoid tawbani na haibani to tadi khoi je exercise seminar se he hardly does not attend the meeting haina haire so we all know that hardly se kaino negative adverb ne adi negative meaning ken ba adverb ne du tari da akoi does not haina haira kanda atopa another negative words yaw ko se akoi avoid tawni hamna tro avoid tawni na haibane ko adui taragadi masigi another negative words does not se ko hida redundant habdi sinaroi mokoi unnecessary ne ko dona irrelevant that is option number A he hardly does not have a mohta he hardly kitang haraga chatkini that is does not yaw have ko koina kamaina hai ni sentence he hardly attend the meeting and hagani attend the meetings and hagani Now understand our with this question number 17 she barely does not notice anything unusual during her visit to the auditorium auditorium unusual oiba pot yam thingnarakte habane ko adu ta de barely akoina khange kaino barely negative meaning chenba adverb ni aduga does not che kaitoba atopa another negative meaning yawba akoi wahi ni bahaf ni natra duita ga sigi se avoid to gani hamni sinna roi habo ko aduna akoi irrelevant mi se kada dana option number A she barely does not have to ko sinna roi ko aduna akoi kaita na she barely ha kanda adum does not yaw to bisa kini she barely notice anything unusual haina sum harakanda makha tar sakini natra during her visit to the auditorium ka sumain tawdana ngasigi akoi adverbs ki maru oiba rules ni nabi classes matang saisi da losinjere aduga pdf important updates daily quiz ki tamata agi telegram channel se join tosin bro aduga whatsapp pai bisin now so whatsapp group whatsapp channel hangduna thamjari ai description da link soidana hapcharange aduga mamang da so aina maru oiba topic sing da english ki topic wise oina like adjectives nouns ki rules pronouns ki rules ka sida video class sem duna thamjakrabni adu hariba sing do yeng du now singna umtang yeng view upcoming exams of 2025 ta dum important oigani madugi classing dom basic tegi khoi rules kari kamai sina gato mai do loina pa hapa yogjer khamni aduga channel asidagi mayam na kana ba khachitang osi khangbi na khanbi bitara ga like share am subscribe to bu ko bi gano ma share kanda mayam ba mo na thagat chari thank you maya